We are about to go zip lining and rappelling down a waterfall. Her idea.
Absolutely.
So Jeanette, we got a new friend back there from Cornwall, England.
Hey, lovely to meet you.
Yeah. So the three of us are crazy enough to try this, and I might love it afterwards, but I have to admit we're a little bit nervous. And then we have our wonderful driver right there, Lamar.
My new victims.
He's from Jamaica, actually.
Yeah, man.
Here's one of our guides. Tell us what we're doing today.
My name is Vincent. We're going to be doing canyoning. We're 3 people today. We're going to be rappelling about 200 feet in 4 different sections, and we have 2 zip lines.
We're going to see how many of you guys come back.
What's the rate of how many people come back?
It's normally about a 20%.
Bumpy ride.
Bumpy ride. So I will admit that the idea of zip lining and rappelling through waterfalls has me a little nervous because I'm scared of heights, but I've done this before with Jeanette. She likes to challenge my fear of heights, so here we go in a little bit. It is the rainy season here. It is raining, but not hard. But we're above the clouds here. We're in the clouds, and we're having a great time. It's actually a little bit chilly. Okay, Lamar, our guide, this is your very first day doing this, correct?
First day.
First
We'll
day.
see how it goes.
I think he's more nervous than I am.
I'm worried right now about my hair getting messed up.
Yeah, it's getting rather long.
Look at my hair.
Yeah, maybe. What'd she say?
Oh, nothing. That you're done. She's staying in Costa Rica now. You see this? Raise your feet.
There you go. Now you're going to go right to the edge. You're going to sit down all the way, and careful when you lift your feet. And I'll let you, there you go. There you go.
Lean back.
Lean back.
And so the rappelling starts with a short lesson.
Hey, am I doing this right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's the first day.
That's perfect. That's the exact position you want to be in. You want to be sitting in the harness. Break the leg.
We couldn't video all the rappels due to the chance of our phones getting wet. Lamar, what do we have to say here before we start?
I'm just happy. I think I can literally go and get my license now.
On our journey back downhill, the truck stopped suddenly and Vince hopped over a fence to pick some limes for us.
Sweet.
He's picking us some fruit, I think, for
Picking some limes. Yum.
Vincent. Get us some limes
I
for
want
us.
some limes. One of the highest trees.
Came up this thing and Vincent said, "Stop the truck. I want to get some limes." And finally, we want to give a big thank you to Lamar and Vince from Costa Rica Waterfall Tours, who made this an unforgettable experience that we'll remember for the rest of our lives. Thank you, guys.